friends, how are you all? Welcome to Buell's Kitchen. Today is going to be a beautiful recipe from Italy, and it is a beautiful Italian dessert. It's called tiramisu, and I have eaten this many times. One of my friends brought it for me, and it is very yummy, and it is very easy dessert. Everyone can make it. So for the things, what we need for this Italian dessert tiramisu is, we need this biscuits, tiramisu biscuits. So you can get this in any of the shops. So this is a soft, it's called the finger biscuits. So it is very soft and it is nice. So what we need is the first thing, we need the biscuits. And next is the mascarpone cheese. You will get it like this. And I got 2 boxes of this, and I have kept it here. My cheese, and I have 4 eggs, I have sugar, I have cocoa powder, I have 2 trays. This is the tray I'm going to make the dessert, and this is the tray I'm going to put the coffee decoction in this. We're going to soak that biscuit and we're going to keep it in there. So these 2 bowls you need it, because you need to take yellow and white separately, eggs. So that's what we're going to do now. And also you need coffee. I have made the fresh coffee, so my coffee is ready. It should be like room temperature, not too hot. So my coffee is ready, and you need a electric whisk. So these are the things you needed, friends. It is very simple and quick recipe. You all can try this at home. So come on, let's make it. Now friends, let's begin. The first thing what you need is, take your eggs and break it. Put yellow in the separate. It's a very simple recipe, friends. All you need to do is just buy the things and organize it, and you need a little bit of patience. If you're doing it first time, it will still come, and it's a beautiful dessert. It's worth, you can try this. So my 3rd egg is gone there, and that's a 4th egg. So we have separated the egg yolks and the egg whites. So that's the first thing you must do. I just wipe my hands, sorry friends. So this is how it should be. The egg yolks are in a bowl, and egg white is here now. So we'll keep the egg whites away first, and then we'll start whisking our egg yolk. Now my whisk is ready here. So just use your hand mixer if you have one. Now my egg yolk is being beaten nicely. Now next is our cheese. So we're going to add cheese little by little. Now give it a whisk. We'll add the rest of the cheese as well. Now, make sure you don't waste any of the cheese. So that's done. So we're going to mix that. Keep this aside, and we'll take our eggs. So we're gonna whisk these eggs until the soft peaks comes up. We're gonna add some sugar. We're gonna add about 2 to 4 tablespoons of sugar slowly, and it will become soft and sweet. It will become soft. So So we'll do that now. Shahid, will you please pass it? Now friends, let's begin to whisk our egg whites. So I'm adding 4 tablespoons. Beat it until it becomes soft peak. Now friends, our egg whites are ready now. This is the consistency it should be. It should be a soft peak like this. So make sure that you add it here. Now the next step is, friends, we're gonna add this egg white into this egg yellows. So add it gently, little by little. Just mix it slowly. Same like making cake, friends. So you need to have a folding method like this. So add the egg white slowly and mix it gently. Now friends, that's ready. We'll keep it aside. Now the next thing is we need to have the tray for the coffee. We need the biscuits, so we're going to open the biscuits now. So make sure that you keep your dessert tray ready before you do this. So now you can take your biscuits. It should be like this, friends, so I'll show you now. Take 2 of them. Here is our coffee. So just pour the coffee in the tray. If you want to make it a bit more darker, you can do it. This is more than enough for me, and it looks perfectly alright here. It's a beautiful aroma coming off, friends. The coffee. Just tell me how many of you like the coffee aroma and the coffee taste, friends, and we'll comment in the comment section. So now we're gonna take the biscuits. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna organize the dessert. Let me show it close up. I hope you can see this. Yeah. So the first thing what we're gonna do now is take the cream first and just put it on the bottom. Now we'll start putting our biscuits. The first layer is the cream, and I hope you can see this. Next we'll start dipping our biscuits. So it's like a finger, that's why it's called finger biscuits. So just dip it both sides quicker and then just start keeping it like that. Now friends, so we did the first layer. We just dip the cream first and then we put the biscuits on the top. Now the next is the cream again. There's already sugar is coated in this biscuits, friends, so it will be very yummy and it will be very soft once it's been soaked, and we need to refrigerate this for overnight or maybe 4 or 5 hours. It will be ready to eat. So that simple it is. So all you need is egg and egg whites and some mascarpone cheese and some coffee, good coffee. And add some more biscuits. We are almost to the end now. Now we're gonna do the final layer. just add your cream on the top generously. Just put everything. The last thing what we're going to do now is, friends, we're going to put the cocoa powder on the top. That will look beautiful. It already looks very beautiful and delicious, friends. Look at this, friends, how beautiful it is. Tiramisu. So I'm going to add this cocoa powder in my sieve. And that's it. Fan behind, that's why it just spilling everywhere. I'm sorry. So it's almost done. I'll just clear up the mess. Here it is. This is my tiramisu, ready to go in the fridge. And once it's been set down for 2 to 4 hours, we'll cut it into pieces and we'll show you, friends, how it is. Now, friends, it's a moment of truth, and this has been set for an hour. We can't wait to taste it, and we want to show you how it is. So we're gonna cut this. Now we're gonna take this. My son is ready to taste.
Ella.
Now we'll just make a small piece like this. You need your knife as well. You can take your knife or just, yep. Because it's not been set for overnight, so this is how it should be. And now we're gonna taste it. Oh, Sharon, you want to taste? It's so nice, friends. You all can try this, and very little sugar, only 4 tablespoons sugar, and rest of the things and all, it's very edible. And the cheese is good for you, and the eggs and egg whites are very good protein. And please do try this and just tell us how it came for you guys. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. We'll see you in the next video, and we'll upload nice simple recipes in the future. Thank you so much for watching my video, friends. God bless. Take care. Bye bye.